Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. Hopefully you're all having a great day. Today we are here trimming Merrylegs. Merrylegs is a 4-year-old cob cross. Anyway, with that, let's crack on with the video. Right guys, so I'll make a start. I'll come in with my wire brush and give these a quick brush up and see what's going on. I don't know if you could tell, these feet are quite toe in, so all of this outside hoof wall has been worn down quite a bit, and there's a bit on this inside hoof wall that needs to be trimmed up just to even the foot out. So we'll make a start. Just give this frog a gentle clean up. Give a brush off, and we'll check our level. Yeah, definitely what I'm seeing here guys, this outside hoof wall has been worn down, and from about here all the way to this heel has grown. So I think what we're going to do is come in with our nippers here, sort this out, and then just give it a level off with the rasp. A little bit of a jump there guys. Whoa. Come on. You okay? Check how we are on our level. Still looks a bit inside high to me, so we're just gonna work on that. Just come in for this last little bit of a file. Right guys, with this girl being a bit toe in, obviously our dressing is just going to be focusing more on this medial side. This outside really doesn't need anything doing to it. It's just bringing this foot back into alignment. Going quite gently at it, just removing what we need to. Right guys, I'll come in now with my scrubbing block. Give this foot a bit of a blend in. It's a horrible noise that, isn't it, really? Right guys, so we've also got a chestnut that needs to come off here. No. So right, attempt number 2 guys. Alright. Right, attempt number 3.
Good girl. Good girl.
Good girl.
See?
Today's office view guys. And there we have it guys, that is Merrylegs all trimmed up. If you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.